you think, Levi? Are you gonna give me another big smile? I know you got a rash on your face. Yeah. You can smile. Is something funny? What do you think? What do you think? What should we do today? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, Levi. Hi, Levi. Can you give me, hey, Levi. Oh, hey. Where you going? Can you give me another big smile? Hi. 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 Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey. Hey, Levi. You liked it when I combed your hair? You gave me a big smile when I combed your hair. Yeah. I know you're a little bit snotty and congested. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. You're starting to get a little chilly. Should we put your clothes on? Yeah. Should we put your clothes on? Levi. Levi. Yeah. Should we put your clothes on? Silly. Yeah. What? Yeah. Should we put your clothes on? Yeah, you're trying to smile. I can see that you're trying to smile. You're doing a good job. Yeah. 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 Oh, and you're talking too. Put a soft blanket on. There we go. So soft. So soft. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah. Yeah, you're a little snargly. Oh, goodness. Yes. Yeah. I just want to see one smile. One smile. Can you do it? Can you do it? One smile. Ooh. You're starting to get a little agitated. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Yeah, no, it's starting to get a little agitated. Okay, we'll do a smile later. We'll do a smile later.